All right, so if you want to start a business from home, what can you actually start doing today that doesn't require you to have any money or, for example, a bunch of experience? Now, I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but I'm saying that to actually get started, you don't need a lot of money, and you can start it right now from your house or wherever you actually are, okay? Even if you're at a Starbucks and you have internet connection at your house, okay? You can do it anywhere. Now, this is basically called high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, as always, guys, do me a favor and smash the like button right now. I appreciate it a ton, but what exactly is affiliate marketing, and also what exactly is high-ticket affiliate marketing? So overall, to put this very bluntly and in a way that everyone can understand, is affiliate marketing is just you basically selling somebody else's product or service and getting a percentage of the profits, okay? Now, let me ask you a question. How many times have you recommended, for example, a product to a friend or a restaurant to a relative, and they actually go out there, go to the restaurant or buy the product, but you actually don't get paid whatsoever? But what if every time you recommended something to somebody out there and they actually went ahead and bought that something, well, you actually got a small percentage of the profits? And by the way, you deserve it, because in reality, you marketed that product for that company or that person, right? It's how it actually works. So here's an example to actually clarify this even more. Like, let's say, for example, right now, I have a course I actually sell. It's called Financial Freedom Course, okay? The link is down below. Now, if I wanted to, I could make, for example, an affiliate marketing section, and if you sign up, and I approve you, if you market that course out there to the masses and somebody goes and basically buys that course, well, you get a percentage of the profit. Some people on courses, they pay out, for example, 50%, 10%, 5%, 15%. It all depends on the deal you actually negotiate with that person, and it also depends on how many sales you could get that person to. It all matters. But to actually put this into a big perspective, what are some big companies out there? Well, you have Walmart, you have Amazon, you have Target, you have Mint Mobile, and most of these big stores, companies, they actually have an affiliate marketing program. Now, how do you sign up? You go to affiliate marketing, whatever the company name is, and you basically sign up for their program. It's not really that complicated whatsoever. If you want a full video, let me know and I'll actually get to work. I already have one, an Amazon affiliate, okay, so associate program. So if you actually want that one, just search up on YouTube, Amazon Associates Program, TommyBryson. You'll find a video of me walking you step by step on how to actually sign up, but it's very basic. It's very simple. It's just putting in your real information, and that's basically it. But whenever I actually go out there and I basically say, hey, you know what? I have this product from Amazon. Let's say I actually have this padlock right here, and I think it's actually a master lock. Maybe, no, it's a fortress. I don't know who the heck, or fortress. It's a fortress lock, okay? But if they actually sold this lock on Amazon, and I recommended it to you guys, okay, and I included a link to this, well, the idea is that link is associated or linked to my Amazon account, my Amazon associate account. So whenever you go and you buy this product and you even buy something else with that same link, well, I get a small cut of the profits. That's why so many YouTubers say, hey, if you want to help with the channel, buy stuff on Amazon using my URL down below, so this way I can actually get some money. You still get the same product for the same exact price, but I get some kickback because I basically referred you to that product via my link. Okay, now to actually do this, you have to understand, right? You might make, for example, 1%, 2%, 3% with these big companies, maybe like a small amount of money. Like whenever I refer somebody to Audible, I made like $5. Whenever I refer somebody to actually buy a big product, I made maybe like 1% or 3% on Amazon. You don't really get paid that much money per se, but high ticket affiliate marketing is associating yourself with big companies, okay? Well, not big companies, but with products that actually sell for a lot of money, and you actually get a large kickback. That's the idea. So what are some of these examples? Well, number one is going to be Shopify. Okay, so Shopify, the whole store, allows you to actually create a whole like e-commerce website, which is pretty cool, but they actually have products ranging from $29 a month all the way up to, if I'm not mistaken, to $300 per month or $299 $99 per month. Now, what would happen if I made a video on YouTube saying, hey, here's how you build an e-commerce website using Shopify. And then once you watch the video, I say, hey, if you actually want to sign up for Shopify, use my link down below, you get a discount or whatever. Well, what's in it for me in that case, right? The idea is, well, once I sign up for that Shopify program and I actually get approved, well, I actually get 200% according to researchers out there on the internet, okay? So you actually get 200% of the first charge for that month. So if I went ahead and I signed up, for example, for the $30 plan, well, $30, right? Multiplied by 2 or 200% basically, I'm gonna make $60. But if I actually signed up for the $299 program and I get paid double that basically for that, I can get basically almost $600. That's a lot of money, right? On just one deal. So that's high ticket marketing in that sense. But you also have, for example, credit card programs, okay? There are some credit cards out there that actually pay you like $405 per sign up and accepted application. So it's usually gonna be like those luxury, fancy credit cards with the fancy like points, and you get to stay at a lounge and you get some free concierge and all this extra stuff, okay? But if you can actually market to those people that spend a lot of money and get them to sign up, they get what they want, but you also get a huge, massive kickback, all depending on what you actually have set up with the actual credit card company. Number 3 is going to be Airbnb. That's also a way to make money, around $40 per listing. My point is, there are a lot of opportunities out there when it comes to high ticket marketing. So you want to go online, search up this term, and search it, for example, even with your favorite company, to see exactly, hey, do they actually offer an affiliate program? For me personally, one of these companies was basically Mint Mobile, which is a company that I loved and I used a lot when I was basically in the US. And then I find out, like, hey, they actually have a program. And I actually went, I signed up for the program, I made a video about it, people signed up, they got a great deal, I got some money back, and everything worked out. So looking at the companies you actually love and typing in affiliate program and see if that's one available, that's also pretty good, okay? But you also want to be careful, because here's the last part of this video, okay? How can you actually turn this into a real legitimate business? Now, you know, for example, how when you go on TikTok or Instagram these days and you see somebody like sharing some cool product like a potato peeler or some crazy thing out there, like even like a mattress topper that actually keeps your body cool, like all that stuff, like all those things, they're usually going to be like affiliate programs, okay? So you could actually make interesting videos about those products by like contacting the company, asking for like a test model or a review model, and then sending it back potentially. But even if you don't do that, you could just buy the products yourself and then make videos. And once you actually create like some traffic, right? Traffic is basically the people that actually come to see your stuff, and you actually share with them those links. Well, you have traffic, you have the actual links to actually send them to buy those products, and then you get some kickback via whatever you're actually producing. So you could build a business or like a platform just around like e-commerce. So every time somebody signs up, you get some money, right? Or you could build a business about, for example, camera gear review, and you review that camera gear, you do like Amazon associate links or whatever. When they actually go ahead to buy those products, well, you also get some money. I have a friend, you know, and a friend, Paul, it's you, right? So Paul, the editor right now, he also has a channel. By the way, Paul, feel free to share it right here. I think it's like Not Average Gamer, I think it is, okay? I'm not sure, but share it right here, or Not Average, or just Average, okay? I'm terrible with names, but here's Paul's channel, right? And in Paul's channel, he has a whole bunch of video games. He basically reviews from Steam Decks to like Rogue stuff. I'm not that good with games either, but the whole idea is he has a channel where he reviews a lot of products. So he actually, if he wanted to, he could make an Amazon Associates like affiliate account on Amazon, right? And then whenever he does reviews on those products, he can include the link. And if I go and I buy the product via his link, well, Paul also gets paid. Now, by the way, the cool thing with affiliate marketing is it's not like the person gets charged extra money by using your link. They get charged the same amount of money, okay? But you get some kickback because you got that person to sell. That's the idea, and that's how it works. It's a great business. And by the way, there are actually courses on this on YouTube for free, because some people actually use Pinterest, which I'm not really that well versed on, but you could actually do a whole bunch of like Pinterest posts around a certain product, like whether it's like furniture or hardware or technology or TVs or specials, whatever it is, okay? And then people actually buy those things with your links, you get paid money too. So affiliate marketing is actually a pretty solid business if you're interested in getting started. But again, remember, without traffic, you have nothing, because you have no one's actually going to click on your link, and you actually want to produce some type of value. So the cool thing about doing TikToks and reviewing cool products is that that person gets to see how that product works, and then when they're interested in it, they go ahead and buy it. But if you're just want to be one of those people that say, hey, use my link, use my link, use my link, but you're not actually doing anything or providing anything, then that's usually going to be useless. And I don't recommend that, okay? So try to build a brand around whatever you actually want to do, and make sure that brand has a niche. So whether it's like hairstyles, whether it's like handbags, whether it's like technology, whether it's like camera reviews, whether it's like software, whatever it is, have a niche around that where you actually become the expert, and then try to build an audience and provide a lot of value and everything else, okay? And then once you have the traffic, you're actually able to recommend those products and get paid money. And just be careful, because you don't want to associate yourself with products you don't use or recommend, because you might get some kickback, but then you'll lose everything you have, and at that point it's not really worth it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, comment down below made it, so I know you made it all the way to the end. And if you want a full video, for example, on how to sign up for this, or if you have questions, comment them down below and I'll make a video on whatever your question actually is. Up here is another video, over here is my face. Click on subscribe, and as always, long-term team officially out. By the way, notice I didn't mention like how much money you could make, because it all depends on how much traffic you get and how much work you're actually willing to put in.